Hello guys. Today in this video we will talk to ChatGPT to create a modern calculator using Python. Let's begin. Open ChatGPT official site and right here, create a modern calculator using Python and pyqt5 and click the Run button. It takes some time to generate our response. Here we go. It generated a Python code. And we need to copy the code. Click Copy Code button and open a Visual Studio Code. Create new file and named it calculator.py. Paste the code you copied. This code is created by ChatGPT. Now click the Run button to run the script. Wow! Our application is working with 0 errors. You can calculate as you want and make it more beautiful. Close the application and go back to ChatGPT and right here. Make more best design, including colors and padding, and click the button. Here the code generated again by GPT. Here is the modified code of our calculator. Copy it and go back to your Visual Studio Code and replace this code with older one and save the file. Run the code again by clicking the Run button and look. This is the modified calculator application and it's awesome. You can make it more beautiful as you want. It depends on you and your ideas. It is a demo video on how to use and create a calculator app using ChatGPT. If I get thumbs up on this video, it will be surprise for me. Subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thanks for watching.